hello. I'm going to speak about turning on Google Auto Ads, and I'm going to show you an example of overdoing ads, and it's a good example to show a poor example of how to place ads on a website. I'm here to create more streams of passive online income from showing ads, Google ads, on my websites. I write informative, interesting, unique, original content, and I work hard to stay appealing, keep my visitor to stay and browse around my websites. This is my website, but first I'm going to go here. I know this is in another language, but I can also switch it to English, but I'm going to leave it like this because it's not about the URL. It's about the example, and it's a good example to show a poor example. See, there's an ad in the back. These are 3 sticky ads right on top, right in front, that I can't close, and I'm forced to click on. And it's covering the content of the web page. And there's another ad on the side. Oh, there's another ad in the middle. There's another ad on the side. There's another ad on the side. Oh, and another ad. Here's another ad. And there's one on the bottom. That's poorly done. Because as you can see, if I click on this X, that closes. And this populates. Well, earlier I was able to close these, and that's what happened. But these ads stayed there. If I click on that, it just brings you to here. I have no choice but to click it. That's tacky. You don't want to generate income this way. And when this website is found out by Google, I can guarantee they're going to question them because that's cheesy, it's cheap, it's not the way to set up income streams online. I have a blog / website, myincomejob.com. I have a sticky ad on top that I placed, and on the home page I have an ad on top and an ad on the sidebar, in the sidebar. I turned on auto ads, but I also set it up. Please don't show auto ads on my home page. I want my work to speak for itself. I produce the best quality work possible. I'm signed into my Adsense account, and I'm in the auto ads setting area. I turned off anchor ads that stick to the top or the bottom. Those are sticky ads. Side rail ads I have on. I haven't seen them yet. Vignette ads I have on, and I have seen that. Sometimes an ad will show in between pages. Not all the time, but sometimes. Oh, I should check that out more, but we'll go back here. Then I have banner ads. I have them all checked. Multiplex ads and related ads. But this is key to share with you. Ad load. I went closer to the max, but not fully max. And I checked, let Google optimize my existing ad units. And now it's like a week later. You have to let things settle in. I turned on auto ads, but I turned it off for the home page. I like my sticky ad on top. I like my one regular ad right on top here. And I have one in the sidebar. I don't want ads in between all of this. Excuse me. So what I'm going to do is, we're talking about AdSense Google Income. Let me click on that. This is my sticky ad on top, and this is an ad I have placed in my sidebar, and then Google felt this page was worthy of showing an additional ad. They placed that there, not me. That's pretty cool. Our top 5 stocks for 2023. Pretty cool. And they felt that the Plex ads should stay. They choose that. They don't always show now since I have auto ads on. Some pages show it, some pages don't. And if I scroll down, there's one on the bottom here, but it's not a sticky ad. Like this up here, this is a sticky ad. If I move my page, it sticks. It's just they're showing an ad on the bottom. They feel this web page was worthy to show an additional ad. So that's great. I love that. Oh, that's really good. Now, I'm going to click on Earn Money Online. Ooh, now they felt an ad was worthy to place right here. So they showed it. Most of the time a sticky ad shows, not all the time. Oh, sometimes they don't show on category or tags. But again, this is my ad. I placed an ad in the sidebar. That's the location. I have it. And AdSense, Google AdSense felt this web page was worthy of showing another ad in the sidebar. Auto Ads placed that there. I find that impressive. That means I'm doing something right. I'm getting better. There's another one. They felt it was worth another ad. And let's see if they placed one on the bottom. Yup, they sure did. However, this is a category page. Notice how the Plex ad isn't shown, but Google AdSense is telling me that. So I hope you learned something. I don't want to keep this video too long. I adjusted this last week and it's only getting better. I want to earn more money daily showing ads on my websites. So I have to utilize all the opportunities they give you. But like I said, I don't want this. This is a good example to show a poor example of how ads should be, because I didn't even want to translate it to English to find out what this page was about, this website, because I couldn't remove these ads that are stuck in the middle. That's tacky. It's forcing someone to click an ad. And if I click it, I'm going to be brought to a place that I didn't want to be brought to originally. You get it? It's trickery, just to earn a quick buck. Now, I'm in it to win it in the long term. I want to produce the best quality work possible that people want to stay and browse when they come across my websites. I'll see you in the next video clip. Bye, everybody.